Good afternoon, everyone. We are here at 1885 Nature's Way in Gulf Breeze, Florida. This is 32563, and I get to show you 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and just over 1,800 square feet. So you're at 1,886 square feet here. Notice that you do have this small little greenery belt that goes along the side for some extra privacy because you are the end lot before this. 2-car garage that you saw in the beginning. And let's take you guys inside. On all of your major features, you do have a 6-year age. So your roof is 6 years old, your hot water heater is 6 years old, and so is your HVAC, so fairly good there. And then you can see as we walk in, we come down the foyer and we pass the stairs to go up to the 2nd floor. And then we are immediately into the living room that wraps around to the kitchen, garage, and the half bath that is downstairs. You are going to have this LVP flooring all throughout the bottom floor, and then upstairs has brand new carpet that was just installed in November of 2024. As you can see, tons of windows in here, so when the sun is shining and it's during the day, you're going to have so much natural light flooding through this living space. Beautiful, and like I said, you do have that greenery down the left-hand side of the home for extra privacy. And then just to give you guys a sneak peek, you do have this beautiful deck back here. Definitely large enough to house a lounge chair or two, a small sofa, a fire pit if you're a solo stove owner, all that good stuff. So here we are into the kitchen. It is blocked off by this partition wall. You do have a stainless steel undermount sink, granite countertops. You've got that built-in microwave with the electric smooth top stove and oven combo there. And then a double door fridge and freezer with the pantry that is going to be just to the right of that fridge. I'll get over on this side and show you guys a different vantage point. So underneath that light right there, just straight ahead, that is absolutely large enough to hold a breakfast nook area. You can put a dining table over there so you can have a little bit of a formal eating space. Look at that backsplash detail. Definitely very cute. All right. And then just down the hallway here, you are going to have your half bathroom. So you do have a bathroom on the 1st floor. It is going to be a laminate countertop, single vanity. And then there is your commode as well. And then just through this door here, you are going to have your 2-car garage with a side entry out into the side yard. So right there, it is going to take you to the right side of the home. You do get a nice little workbench here with the underbench storing and some wire shelving as well. So a pretty decent garage setup. And then just parallel to the half bath, you do get a little owner's closet here that does come with keys, so you can lock this up if you want to put any valuables in there, or if you just want to make it a cleaning closet, really whatever suits you guys best. All right, and let's take you all upstairs now. Like I said, all of the carpet was just installed in November of 2024. Okay, and I'm going to actually take you guys to the right first. So to the right, you have a 2-bedroom and a full bathroom split over here. So this is our 1st bedroom. You are going to have a nice size closet in here, a front yard view. There's your closet there. It is going to be that wire shelving, but it has some pretty decent depth, as you can see. And the carpet does continue on into the closet. And then just next door, you have your next bedroom here. This one is going to be a double window together. And same feature, you are going to have a nice sized closet with that wire shelving. Again, with the depth, it does go on opposite sides, so you could put some cube shelving in there if you'd like. And then that is going to be split off by this full bathroom here. So you do have a tub shower duo. This one is a built-in with some pretty decent in-shower storage, your commode, and then a single vanity with some under sink storage as well. So that LVP that was downstairs is going to be in the bathrooms and the laundry room. So I guess technically I lied. It's not all carpeted up here, but you do have some LVP features in here that you will see. Next, we have the laundry room. This is able to be shut off from the rest of the bedrooms by this door here. Same LVP that's downstairs. So this is where your washer and dryer hookups are going to be. You've got some pretty decent wire shelving and rod hanging. So that's great. And then just across the way from that, you are going to have, this is bedroom 3 out of the 4. Same thing, you've got a nice sized closet with that wire shelving in here. In all honesty, you guys, even if you are a family or an individual or a couple who does not need all the bedroom space, you could absolutely make these bedrooms into an at-home office, a workout room, a library, a book nook. I mean, really, truly, like, they are versatile enough to be whatever you need them to be. And then here we are in our master or primary bedroom. It is going to have a nice tray ceiling detail. You do get a backyard view through those split windows. And then, of course, an en-suite bathroom here. This is going to be a tub shower duo as well, but this tub is going to be a little bit larger. It is going to be more garden or soaking style with that oval shape. You are going to have a slight partition wall that blocks off the commode from the tub just for privacy purposes. And then here we are, you do have a double vanity sink countertop. Those are going to be laminate countertops. Plenty of under sink storage with those drawer appliques as well. And then here through these 2 doors on the right, you're going to have a linen closet, and on the left, you're going to have your walk-in closet for your primary bathroom. So here we are there. You're going to have wire shelving across the top, and then everything else is for you to do with what you will, whether you put in other built-ins or things like that. And then here is your linen closet. I love a linen closet personally in the primary bathroom just because it makes for easy pull for cleaning supplies, toilet paper, all that good stuff. Alrighty, guys. Again, this is 1885 Nature's Way in Gulf Breeze, Florida. You have 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and 1,886 square feet. I do want to show you guys up here. Let's see if I can get the camera up there. There you go. Nice high ceiling all the way up so you're not confined there. I do love that. All right, we would absolutely love for you guys to come check this one out.